Hi everyone, this is Fairy Faith, and as much as fairies are about love and light and creating magic and helping the earth, they're also about sending their love light into different places and spaces or to different creatures when they need help or they need healing or they need protection. And as you might be able to hear behind me, there's hunting going on right now where I'm hiking with my dog. So I really wanted to make a video because it's really important to me that we only take what we need from the earth. And I don't know if you all are aware, but the indigenous people who lived on the North American continent that we now inhabit in the United States, when they hunted, they used to send their energy into whatever they were hunting, whether it was a pack of deer or buffalo, and they would say, which one of you is willing to sacrifice your life so that my tribe, my family may eat? And usually there was one or two or however many that would agree, and those were the ones that were shot with arrows and bows, and those were the ones that became the food. And the indigenous people never wasted any part of the animal. They used every part, and whether it was the liver, the heart, and a lot of children don't realize where their food comes from, or we want to eat these different foods, these fish, these venison, this buffalo, but it does have to die, and it does somehow its life has to come to an end so that we can consume it. And so whenever we eat our food, we can transmute the energy by blessing it, just letting our love light come through our hands and just sending our love and our healing energy into the food, and just thanking the animal or the plant and all the people and beings and plants and animals that brought that food to us. Let it fill us and them with God and Spirit's healing energy, love and light, and we can always transmute the energy of our food, so that no matter how it was hunted or how it was treated, we can bless it and we can transmute the energy. But of course we still want to make sure that we're doing our part to only eat organic fruits and vegetables and grass-fed meats, and incorporating more vegetarian choices and dietary preferences into our lives, so that we can do our part to take care of the earth, to mitigate the stress and the impact, and help balance the energy, so that people like this who just are hunting for sport, when they're not even supposed to be hunting anymore, it's actually supposed to be done. The hunting season is supposed to be complete, but here they are shooting away. So we're going to bless them too in their hearts, and we're going to you can send your energy and your love light into any creatures, the ocean, the whales, any endangered species, and you can just ask them to be protected and kept safe if it's for the highest good of all concerned. And so humans and fairies, fairies, which are fairies disguised as humans, which are us, who've decided to incarnate and come to this earth to help it, we can do our part to help. And you can affect change, you can create good and create healing on this planet just by sending your energy. So thanks so much everyone. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.